1105 Flats at North Hills is an apartment community in Raleigh's North Hills neighborhood, with community amenities based at 1105 Navajo Drive. The resort-style pool with Sundeck brings outdoor space to 1105 Flats at North Hills, near North Hills shopping, dining, nightlife, and daily conveniences. The Upscale 24-hour fitness center gives 1105 Flats at North Hills a dedicated indoor workout amenity for strength, cardio, and flexible routines. The Billiards lounge adds a shared recreation setting, giving 1105 Flats at North Hills another indoor amenity for relaxed time outside the apartment. The on-site laundry facility supports daily convenience, alongside official community amenities that include communal workspaces, an on-site micro-marketplace, and a complimentary coffee bar. 1105 Flats at North Hills is located at 1105 Navajo Drive in Raleigh. Visit 1105flats.com or call 984-310-8022.